Stop looking for small side hustles. In 2026, the real money is in AI automation. Businesses are desperate to integrate AI, but they don't know how. Today, I'll show you the AAA hack, how to build and sell AI solutions to businesses for thousands of dollars, even if you can't write a single line of code. The AI automation hack, how to make $5,000 per month without coding. Visual, fast cuts of AI news, robots, and business icons. Then, a sharp transition to your logo. While everyone else is using ChatGPT just to write emails, a small group of people is using it to build multi-million-dollar agencies. This is the AI automation agency era, or AAA. In this video, I'm revealing the no-code hack that allows you to build AI systems for local businesses and charge them thousands of dollars in recurring income. No coding skills, no degree, just pure strategy. If you want to build a real business in 2026, pay close attention. Part 2, the problem and the solution. Visual, show a cluttered office versus a clean, automated digital interface. Local businesses like law firms, real estate agencies, and clinics are overwhelmed. They lose thousands of dollars every month because they can't handle customer inquiries or follow-ups. That's where you come in. You aren't just a freelancer. You are the AI architect. By using tools like Zapier and Make.com, you can connect their business tools to AI, creating a 24/7 automated workforce that never sleeps. Part 3, the 3-step hack. Visual, step-by-step icons on screen with high-tech graphics. Here is the AAA blueprint. Step 1, identify the friction. Find a business with slow response times. Step 2, the automation build. Use a no-code platform to build a custom AI chatbot or an automated lead nurturing system. Step 3, the retainer model. Don't just sell the setup. Charge a monthly AI maintenance fee. This is how you turn a one-time project into a $5,000 monthly passive income stream. Part 4, scaling and tools. Visual, logo tools appearing. Zapier, OpenAI, chat-based Make. To pull this off, you only need 3 tools. ChatGPT for brain, Zapier for the connection, and chat-based to build the interface. It's like playing with digital Lego blocks. Once you set up one system, you can copy, paste, and sell it to 10 other businesses in the same industry. That is the ultimate scale hack. Part 5, the outro and CTA. Visual, your logo AI money mentor with the gold coins animation. The window of opportunity for AI agencies is wide open right now, but it won't stay that way forever. Start today and be the one who builds the future instead of just watching it. If you want my step-by-step guide on how to land your first AI client, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is AI Money Mentor. Let's build your empire.